Welcome back, drawing fans. Today we're going to be drawing this fun cartoon beaver, and then we're going to open a surprise gift or present, add that item to our character. And we need to add this character to our Winter Wonderland. It's an amazing world full of all sorts of fun characters that are frolicking in the snow. So grab your pencil and paper and let's start drawing. So this character is really easy to draw. We're just going to use number 13, just like this. And first thing I like to do is I like to add the eyes right here between the 1 and the 3, just like this. Next, I'm going to draw the nose, and we're going to take this part of the 3 and we're going to close this shape in like so. And then you can just shade or color that in. And just like that, you have the character's nose. This becomes the character's mouth. So we're going to draw a curved line here for a cheek. And then we need some big beaver teeth. So we're going to draw these big teeth like this. Hey, and part of cartooning is not drawing perfect. So look how these teeth are 2 different sizes. That's what makes the character look funny. So make sure to not draw perfect. So we have the character's face. Now I want to draw is the character's ear. We're going to draw a little tiny ear right here. I also want to put a hard hat on this character because this is a hard-working beaver and does a lot of construction. So we're going to draw a little rectangle shape with a curved line on top. And I'm going to draw these little lines inside of it. And just like that, we have our character's little construction cap. Now let's add the body. To draw the body, we're going to start right here at the bottom of what used to be a 1. You can hardly see the number 13 now. And we're going to draw a curved line that goes around like this. Let's go ahead and add the character's arm. We're going to draw 2 lines for an arm and little cartoon fingers at the end. Okay, let's add the legs and feet to this character. So we're going to make a little L here and an L here with a curved line for the top of each foot. And then just finish those legs and feet line here and here. And I think I'm going to color them in as if they're work boots. Okay, there we go. We got our character almost done. Let's draw another arm just on the other side of the body. We're going to draw a little arm here with those cartoon fingers again. And the last thing we need to add is the beaver tail. So we're going to draw a big shape like this. And then just draw a hashtag inside of that. Or kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe pattern. And there you go. You have a fun cartoon beaver. Now we got to open a gift or a present and see what surprise is inside and add it to our character. Okay, let's open up this gift and see what amazing present is inside. And a wrench. Perfect for a beaver. So let's add that to our character. And I'm just going to place it right there. And it's, look how big this is. Let's make it a bit smaller. There we go. Perfect. Now let's add this character to our Winter Wonderland. So this Winter Wonderland scene is filling up fast. We've got all kinds of fun characters. Some are flying, some are skating, some are eating pizza. But I think where we could place our beaver character is right over here. Just like that, we've got our character, but it looks like it's working or building something, huh? I guess we'll have to see what it is in the next video. Well, drawing fans, I hope you had a blast drawing this character. Hey, there's characters here that you didn't get to draw on YouTube. That's because they are at Harptooniacs, my membership art site. I have 3 free lessons that you can try. Click on the link below or just go to harptooniacs.com. I know you're going to love it. And I can't wait to draw with you in the next lesson. So,
grab your pencil and your paper.
And